Hello, my name is Nurul Husna Binti Mohd Azam, and today video I'm gonna talk about database security. What is database security? Database security refers to the various measures of tools, control, and design to create and maintain the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of database. Confidentiality means users should not be able to see things they are not supposed to. Integrity means users should not be able to modify things they are not supposed to. And lastly, the availability means users should not be able to see and modify things they are allowed to. The database security is a complex and challenging because involve all aspects of information security technologies. It means that the more accessible and usable the database, the more exposed it is to security threats. Next, we go to why database is important. So let's go through it. Firstly, the database store a massive amount of sensitive data. It means that there are too many critical information out there. So we need the database security to protect those data. Next is databases are important to business, governments, and organizations because their organization and content are valuable assets. Thirdly is the secure database lead to monitor activities and know authorized people so that we can prevent the security threat or unusual activity of the database. Lastly, the database is important because to ensure the data is confidential and prevent any modification of database. Next, we go to what are the security risks to database system. Firstly, malware infections. Malware infection might cause incidents such as leakage of personal data, deletion or damage to the data, and unanticipated failure of database service. Second, physical damage to database server. It means that it might caused by computer room fires or floods, overheating, and electronic breakdown. Sometimes it might caused by lightning and other obstacles. Thirdly is design flaw and programming bug in database. It might create various security vulnerability. Example like data corruption, performance degradation. So, what are the best practices for database security? Can you think of it? Okay, let's go. Here is 4 best practices for database security. Firstly, use firewall. We need to make sure the firewall is updated. As we know, the firewall prevents intruders from accessing an organization database. Secondly, we need to implement encryption. In technical terms, it is the process of converting plain text to simple text so that only authorized party can understand the information. By encrypting the data on your database may prevent the hacker from access the data. Thirdly, install database management software or we call as a DMS. DMS helps to sort and arrange the data and enable better retrieval methods. With DMS package, there are many of the security elements required to protect the database. And lastly, conduct security audits or database auditing. The timely audit can help reduce the overall impact of breaches. Breaches means that if there any unauthorized access of data, they can alert and warn database administrators. Also, database auditors provide centralized oversight for database security. Did you know that there are two types of privileges that are relating to database security within the database environment? Firstly, system privileges. It means that allows a user to perform administrative actions in a database. Secondly is object privileges. Object privileges allow for the use of certain operations on database objects as authorized by another user. Example, usage, select, insert, update, and reference. So here is my references. You can see and Google it. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for watching my video. Until we see next time. Bye bye.